So the SSPA, or Site-Specific Plan Amendment process, is the process through which anyone in the community can nominate a site or a collection of sites for a change to the comprehensive plan. It's a way for the citizens to be involved in the planning process by getting involved at every stage of the process, looking at the nomination period, the screening process, as well as the impacts analysis. The biggest change, though, between the North County cycle that we're concluding now and the South County cycle, which we're starting, is that we've expanded the eligibility criteria. So previously we had more strict requirements in terms of where residential proposals could be located. So now anywhere in the South County that's eligible, you can put forward a non-residential proposal or a residential proposal. So this could include a mixed-use proposal as well. So it's something that's very important because it contains all of the policies and objectives that we have for land use, for environmental policy, transportation, housing, you name it. All of the policies and objectives that are that the county has for those areas are contained in the comprehensive plan. The whole point of SSPA is to ensure that the community has a voice in shaping Fairfax County. Whether you care about housing, transportation, trees, land use, whatever the case may be, this is a process during which you can have a voice and be a part of the community's future.